In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Chrome background. Vertical bar, change background for Google Chrome. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, create a new tab so you are on the main New Tab page. Now look toward the bottom right corner of the New Tab page. You will see the customized Chrome icon, which looks like a small pencil. Go ahead and click that icon. After the panel opens, select Background. This is the section that lets you change what appears behind the search bar and shortcuts on your New Tab page. Depending on your version of Chrome, you may see a range of background collections, colors, or image choices. If you want a cleaner and more polished look, you can browse through the available options and choose the style that fits your preference. When picking a background, try to choose something that keeps the page easy to read. A very bright or busy image can make icons and text harder to see. If you prefer a more minimal appearance, a simpler background or softer color can work well. If you are using Chrome for work or study, a neutral background may help keep things professional and easier to focus on. If you are using it more casually, you might prefer something more colorful or visually interesting. Once you have selected the background section, you can continue by choosing the option you like best from the available themes or images shown there. Your New Tab page will reflect that updated style, giving Chrome a customized appearance. That covers everything you need to know.